Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your glasses not powering on. So, we got the Ray-Ban META Wayfarers here. Now, what are we going to do is if they're not powering on, we're going to simply throw them into the case. So, let's open up the case. Now, we want to make sure that the case is charged. And it doesn't have to be 80%, just make sure that the LED here is green. For me, it's 75% right now. And now they are charging. What are we going to do next is we're going to go over and we want to go over and plug the case in to the charger. So let me quickly just get rid of the phone. And here we want to press it. So we want to insert it. And now it is charging, and we get the confirmation on the phone that it is also charging. Same with the glasses. Now, if that does not work, we want to simply first reset our case by holding the button on the bottom for around 12 to 15 seconds, and it has to be until the LED flashes. So it's not this one, but it's going to be another one. And we're still going to keep on holding it. And as you guys can see, it is now white, so we can let go, and it is done. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.